Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hadi Akdam from Hadi Akdam Dev YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to create a simple Python script to read the content of our image and write it as text. For example, I have a notebook, I have a book, I take photo of it and it read the text from that image and give an output from us. So you can write your homeworks with this. First, we need to install Pytessecat in our PC. I have a link in description. You can click on that link and download the Pytessecat. I copy the link and paste it in my browser. In this page, click on the download and download will start automatically after a few seconds. Download starts. But I have downloaded the file before the video, so let's go and find it. Uh, uh, Click on this file you download and open it. Click on yes. Again, click on yes. It's a simple installation. You just have to click on next. Here you choose the path to installation. For example, I installed it in default path. You can change it. We have to wait to install complete. Now installation finish and you can close this window. So you have to restart your system to installation complete. After you restarting your system, open the CMD and write these commands: pip install opencv-python. It must install opencv in your system and you need to install Pytessecat too. So write pip install Pytessecat. Now I've opened the Python to start writing our script. Create a new project. I name it auto homework 1. Then click on create. Okay, here is our code. We don't need this, so we must delete this. Then we need to import CV2 and Pytessecat. So import this like this. Import CV2. Okay, then import Pytessecat with import Pytessecat. Okay, now we need to initialize our Pytessecat with that file we installed. So write this command Pytessecat dot Pytessecat dot Tesseract cmd and give a password. You must get the path from that directory you installed the Pytessecat. I install it here and I will get it from this location. Copy this path and paste it here. Then copy here and paste it. Then replace the backslash with double backslash like this. Okay. And now we need to read image with OpenCV. So we must do this. IMG is first we need to get the image pass from the user. So write this pass is input interpass. Okay. And then read the image from pass. img is cv2 dot imread from pass. Okay. Then we must convert it to RGB because OpenCV use BGR and we must convert it. So convert it like this. img is cv2.cvt color img and cv2.color btr to rbg. Okay. And then we have the image, so we must get the data from that image. Print Pytessecat dot image to string, and we must give the image for it. Then we can show the image cv2.imshow. Okay, now let's test it. First, let's create the image. For example, here I write a simple text. And I save it. I save it in my project path and I name it, for example, image. Okay, it's done. So you can see the image in Python. So let's run this file. Give the path for it. In this case, it's image. Okay. Now, as you see, the text is written in this part, and so our project is working well. We can do some more tests, for example, add some numbers and something else. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment for me if you have any questions or any problems.